This is our C2 Corvette floor. Original part. Came with an inventory that we purchased a while back. There's a bunch of old fiberglass and molds and you name it was in this inventory, and something told us to grab this floor. So we've gone in here and reinforced everything with wood because you don't want the part to move while you're making a new mold. So we've reinforced the inside of this, put it on our roller hoop system. It's our rotisserie for rolling the whole car upside down. We thought we might as well use it for this. This is the bottom of our floor. We've gone through here and blocked off every hole with our fiberglass panel that we make and a little hot glue. All the holes are blocked off. Wood's reinforced, solid, it's not going to move. We came through and we bodyworked the floor because we want this floor to be gorgeous. When you put the car up in the air, we want you to see a pretty floor. This is the beginning of a custom floor. We're going to make this original floor. Something tells me there's a need for it. Our floor is going to be finished with our Class A finish on the bottom. We're spraying our first process on this today as a spray filler. Then we'll come back with Durtech, another filler. It's going to get blocked. Durtech will get wet sanded up to 1,000 grit, rubbed out. And we're ready to roll. This roller hoop makes it easy. Instead of having to bend over and do everything crazy like it's right here in our face, we can get to it. So it's ready for you, Tyler and Ed. The base primer got completely blocked today. Between the three of us, we blocked the base primer. About 15 hours worth of blocking time. And we sprayed it now with our Durtech. This is what gets wet sanded and rubbed. We'll bring it up to a nice gloss. Then we'll start our mold. We're probably a week and a half out from being ready to start the mold. Another project, keep watching. Thanks for watching. We appreciate it.